Welcome to the MCPL Culinary Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making one of my favorite, absolute favorite recipes, white chicken enchiladas.
Now, depending on the time you want to spend and the flavor you prefer, there are just a few ways you can prepare your chicken.
That's right. You can roast your chicken breast in the oven or boil your chicken until cooked. But our favorite is to grab a hen-house market rotisserie chicken. It's the quickest and best tasting option for our enchiladas.
It really is. It really is. Chicken is a great protein in your diet, but it's also a good natural source of creatine.
And creatine has various benefits.
Yes.
And research has shown it may help with performance, recovery, strength, and stamina.
Now, let's get this started and into my tummy because I'm hungry. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Now, a couple of quick pointers for this recipe. We're using flour tortillas today, but feel free to use corn tortillas. Just warm them first so that they won't tear.
Yes, and if you prefer smaller portions like Mom and I, or if you're a bariatric patient, just use smaller tortillas.
And we're also swapping the sour cream for Greek yogurt to boost the nutrition factor.
Now, to prepare, shred your chicken with 2 forks. That's my favorite trick. Or if you have one, use a stand mixer with the paddle attachment and just toss the chicken in and let it mix and shred and mix and shred, mix and shred and mix and shred.
And then next we'll spray a 9 by 13 inch baking sheet with nonstick spray. And in a medium bowl, we'll combine 2 cups of shredded chicken with 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, plus salt and pepper to taste.
Divide the chicken mixture among the 10 tortillas. Roll them up, place them seam side down in the baking sheet.
And in a medium saucepan, we're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll whisk in 3 tablespoons of flour and cook for just about a minute, but don't let it brown.
After that, add 2 cups of chicken broth and whisk until smooth. Stir in 1 cup of Greek yogurt and a 4-ounce can of green diced chiles. Correct, Mom?
That's correct.
Keep the heat low. Don't let it boil. Remove from heat and pour the sauce, my part, evenly over the enchiladas. You know, scrape it out and you're pouring it too. Okay.
And then we'll top with 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack, and we'll bake that for 20 to 25 minutes. To get that golden, bubbly finish, you can broil it on high for just 1 to 2 minutes at the end of your baking cycle.
Serve with a side of black beans, avocado slices, or even your favorite veggies. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try this recipe at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.